hello. I'm back again for another online lesson learning, and we are now on our Phonics Group 2. But before that, let me ask you again, how are you? Great. Before that, let's sing our hello song. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. Okay, let's move on to our lesson. Let's go now. But before that, let's have our class rules first. As always, listen and look at Teacher Rosie. We are now in Phonics Group 2. So for Group 2, we are learning these sounds. But for this online learning number 8, we're going to learn this letter sound. We're going to learn this letter sound. Okay, let's proceed. Okay, so for today, we're going to learn this sound, letter sound. The sound of this letter is k, k. Okay, you follow that? So we're going to say it 3 times, okay? K, k, k. Now your turn. Say it 3 times. Wow, good job. So for that, let me give you a reward. Okay, what reward will I give you? I think I'm going to give you, what is that? Look, candy. What color is the candy? It's blue, and I have one more. Another candy. Wow, you got? Yes, 2 candies. Good job. Now, let's proceed to the action. We're going to do the action. So it will help you to remember the letter sound. So it says there, you raise your hand and snap your fingers as if you're playing castanets and say, k, k, k. Okay. Teacher, what's a castanet? This is a musical instrument. This is a castanet. So let's do it. K, k, k. Okay? K. Or we can do it like this. K, k, k. Did you do that? Wow, that's good. So we'll do it again. K, k, k. Wow, great. Now let's proceed to the next one. For now, we're going to sing the song. This song will help you to remember the letter sound. Okay, let's listen. Let me sing it first. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Flying in the sky. So let us read. We are, yes, clicking castanets. And then say the k, k 3 times. Okay, again, we are clicking castanets. Good. And then, and we do it one more time. We are clicking castanets. Yes, clicking castanets. Good. Then we say the sound, letter sound, while snapping your fingers. Then we have another song on this side. Kites are flying. Yes. In the sky. Good. And then snap your finger. Because this letter and this letter has the same sound. Let's get moving. Kites are flying in the sky. Yes. One more time. Kites are flying in the sky. Yes, good job. Flying in the sky. Good. Kites are flying in the sky. And then we snap our finger while saying or singing the sound. Are you ready? Let's go. We're going to sing the song. Okay, whenever we pronounce the then probably you raise your hand like that and snap your finger. Okay, ready? Let's go. Okay, sway your hand. You're ready? We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Good. Kites are flying in the sky. Flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Yes, very good. Since you sing very well, let me give you a reward. What reward will I give you? 2 medals because you sing very well, very good. Let me give you 2 medals. Yay, good job. Now we move on to the next part. We're going to identify the sound in a word or on these pictures. We got, how many pictures can you see there? Okay, so let's try to identify the word which doesn't have any sound. Okay, so let's start with this. Let me circle. What is this? Oh, yes, that is a, what is it? It's a cat. Okay, what about this? It's a camera. And let me circle another picture. That one. That is a kite. It's a kite. Yes. And what about this? Of course, I know you know this very well. This is an apple. We got cat, camera, apple, and kite. What word doesn't have any sound? Oh, yes, you got it correctly. It should be apple. It doesn't have any sound. Wow, you did very well. Now, what reward will I give you? You deserve another reward. Okay, here's another reward coming. Here you go. It's another reward. Oops, what's in the box? Oh, you got 2 Christmas socks. Wow. Beautiful. Good. Okay, now let's proceed to our writing. Before we write, please get a pencil and a paper. Okay, do you have your pencil and paper now with you? Let's write. Okay, this is how to write the letter K or K letter. Okay, so one line going down and then one slanting line like that here, and then one line going there. Okay, one more time. One line going down. Oops. There we go. And then one slanting line going there. And then one line going down. You get it? So we have 3 strokes. 1, 2, and 3. Did you get that? Good. And now we move on to the next letter. I mean the small letter. Okay, how to write the small letter K? The same, one line going down. There you go. And then starting from this line. There you go. And then another line going there. Did you get that? One more time. One line going down. Another line, slanting line going here. And then one line going there. So the same, we got 3 strokes. Did you get that? Good. Okay, we're now going on to the next letter. That would be a letter, the K. Okay, another K sound is this. Okay, so I think this is quite easy. So this is K, another K letter. So this is the big and the small letter. Okay, same, get your pencil and let's write again. So from here, make a curved line like that. That is the big letter K. And then the small letter, so easy, right? Let's do it again. K, letter. So you can see it. And then this is the small letter K. I think this is quite a lot easier, okay? Because it's just one stroke, okay? Let me see what you wrote. Wow, good job. I'll be giving you smart clap, okay? 1, 2, 3, you are smart. 1, 2, 3, you are smart. Now we're going to blend. So for today, let's just have a short review. This is the letter sound K, K. Okay, so we're going to blend the letter sound K with the other letter sounds we learned from group 1. Do you remember the letter sounds we have learned from Jolly Phonics group 1? Now let's have a short review before we continue. Okay, what sound does it make? It's eh. Okay, eh, eh. Next, this is s. Good. And this is I, I, I. Next, this is p, p. Wow, good. Next, this is the letter sound. Hear the airplane. Okay, good job. Let's have the last one. This is t, t, t. And the sound we have learned today is the k, k, k. Okay, now I think we're ready to blend the sound. Okay, let's go. So let's have the first word. This is k, a, t, k, a, t. Yes, that is cat. Okay, next. K, k, I, I, I. P, p, k, I, p. Kip. Good job. Next, we have I, I, I. And then this is k, p, I, k. Yes, that is pick. Next, the last one. S. And then and then oh, great. That is sa. Good job. You did very well. So let me have another reward for you. What reward will I give you? Let's see. Let me have this. Wow, look at what you got. You've got a lot of money. Yes, very good. Now I'm back. Okay, I hope you learned a lot for this lesson, and I hope to see you again. But before that, let's sing our goodbye song. Let's sing. Bye, bye, goodbye. Bye, 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 goodbye. Bye, bye, goodbye. Bye, 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 goodbye. Goodbye.